15 years!
Thank you very much.
That's one leg for me, 15 years.
Sir Mark naman.
15 years. Wala kang katulad.
Maraming salamat po.
Sobrang galing mo.
Maraming
Wala, di ba? Wala
salamat.
siyang katulad.
You know what, Sir Martin? I'm very honored.
Talaga?
I'm very honored that in this journey, I met Concert King. And you know, being here with you tonight, it's unforgettable. And you know what, Sir Martin? Until now, every time I sing with you, there's a part of me that still says, OMG, am I really singing with Martin Rivera? But most importantly, Sir Martin, thank you very much for singing with me tonight for free.
Of course, for free. It is my honor to sing with you as you now start more years of that beautiful, magical voice. It's
Thank
my
you, Sir
honor.
Martin. I love you so
I
much.
love you more!
I love you so much. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin, Sir Martin. Hindi magbabago yun.
I love you.
Muli
Eh!
po, Ben. Si Ben, nandiyan si Ben. Tawagan nila ng asawa ko, Ben. Ba't di po kayo magpakasal? Sir Martin.
Kasi type ko yung mga Angeline.
Yeah. Nandito po ba si Ate Ange?
Wala.
Wala po siya. Pero ako po ang original na Angeline niyo, Sir Martin.
Original to siya.
Yes. Muli po mga kaibigan, ibinigay.
English na lang.
Hindi po kasi ako sanay ng Tagalog talaga.
Mag-English na lang.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hirapan siya.
once again, I'm giving back to you the one and only Concert King, Mr. Martin Rivera.
Maraming
I love you so
salamat.
much.